our 2.5 horsepower, 25,000 BTU walk-in refrigeration cooling system. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 26.5 inches, a depth of 25.5 inches, and the overall height, we have 18.5 inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be your 220 voltage plug, and located on the top left corner will be the parameter and temperature settings. We have our power, mode, and fan speed functions, along with the indicator whenever this cooling system is in operation. Coming to the left column, coming to the left will be the certification along with the schematics for this cooling system. This will be 208 to 230 voltage and single phase. Coming to the front will be the left and right tabs that can be loosened, exposing the filter inside the cooling system. Please note that the actual temperature will always vary and will be different than what's on display. For example, if the temperature is reading 64 degrees, expect it to be 15 degrees cooler inside the actual walk-in cooler box. Many factors contribute from the actual temperature inside the walk-in cooling box to the actual display. Differences include opening and closing the door, when the products is stored inside the walk-in cooling box, and how long those products has been inside. For example, when testing the temperature, if you were to test it with a thermometer, the actual temperature inside will be different from those factors. Not to mention that the ceiling will be much more cooler, considering that that's where the walk-in cooling system is mounted, and that's where the cool air is circulated. And again, expect a 15-degree difference from the temperature inside the walk-in cooling box from what's on display. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.